Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to create a shop in Roblox Studio. Make sure to watch until the end. Step 1. Add and customize the shop button. First, open Roblox Studio on your PC. Choose a base template and make sure the Explorer window is visible. If you don't see it, click the Home tab at the top and select Explorer. You can also enable properties if needed. Next, click the plus button next to StarterGUI. Select ScreenGUI and rename it to shopGUI. Now, click the plus button next to shopGUI and add a text button. Rename the text button to shopButton. Adjust the shop button position and resize it. Then, go to the Properties window, scroll down to Text, and delete the default button text. Resize the button and position it wherever you'd like on the base template. Click the plus button next to Shop Button and add UICorner. This will give the button rounded corners. Next, click the plus button again and add UIStroke. In the Properties window, scroll to Appearance, set it to Border, and adjust the thickness to your preference. For example, set it to 3 to create a black outline around the button. Now, change the background color to any color you like. Click the plus button next to Shop Button and add an image label. If you don't see the toolbox, go to the Home tab and select Toolbox. In the toolbox, choose Decals from the drop-down menu and search for Shop. Scroll through the results and select the image you want. Once you find it, right-click the image and copy the asset ID. Go back to the image label properties, scroll to Image, and paste the asset ID there. Set the background transparency to 1, then resize and position the image on the button. Step 2. Create the shop frame. Go back to ShopGUI, click the plus button, and add a frame. This frame will appear when the player clicks the shop button. Resize it as needed and rename it shop frame. Add UICorner to round the corners. Then add UIStroke, set it to border, and adjust the thickness to 5. You can also change the frame's background color. Choose the color you like. For example, here I am selecting the blue color. Then, hit the OK button. Afterward, add a text label to the center of the frame. Set background transparency to 1, edit the text, enable text scaled, adjust the background settings, and choose a different font face from the drop-down menu if you'd like. Here, I am selecting the Fedroka 1 font face. Now, add another text button, resize it, rename it to X, and select the same font face. Set the background transparency to 1. That's it. Before moving on, uncheck the visible property if shopFrame so it's hidden when the game starts. Step 3. Add a LocalScript. Click the plus button next to Shop Button and add a LocalScript. A new script window will open. Type the script shown in the video, or copy it from the video description. Next, close the script page and click the plus button next to text button and add LocalScript. Type or paste the second script and close the script tab. Step 4. Playtest the game. Hit the play button at the top and click on the shop button. As you can see, the shop layout opens here. Now, it's easy to open and close the shop. So, guys, this is how to make a shop using Roblox Studio. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.